Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get a voice chat on Roblox Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, on Roblox Mobile, you need to press on the more that is on the bottom right. Then you need to go to settings and then go to account info. And first, you need to make sure that your phone number and your email address is verified. And then also you have you have to be older than 13 years old on your age. And then you need to look here for some people, depending where they live. If they go on privacy, not privacy, security. Not security, I believe privacy then. On privacy should be a voice chat. There is an option to enable voice chat. And if it's not the case, then you need to enable voice chat, you need to verify your age. You need to go to account info. Then you need to go to verify my age. And then, as you can see here, you need to prepare your valid driver's license, passport ID, or residence permit, right? And you need to scan QR code with the camera to begin. I don't know why, but there is no submit a button. So what I need to do here is to open up my camera. And then I will put a screenshot here. And then we will scan it, right? And here, as you can see, you need to prepare your valid ID, begin verifying. As you can see here, select government ID, where it's from. Then select what type of ID, passport. Then I need to take a photo here. So after you upload a passport, then as you can see here, you need to make sure that it's you. So you need to just not working properly. Okay, it's working. And after verification is done, I will show you what you need to do here next. Right, so I'm done. We just verified our identity. So if we go back on Roblox, we should see that our verification process is done. Right, so as you can see here, it's loading up, but age verified, right? So if we go on privacy, and then as you can see here, now I can enable voice chat here. Enable. And when you enter the game, the Roblox will ask you if you really like to use microphone. And as you can see here, if I tap on the microphone, as you can see here now, I'm talking, right? So it's that easy, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.